Welcome to the gloomy days in Southwest Ohio. Here we are, and it's November 20th today. I think I'm right. If you're watching this on Thursday, it's November 20th, and we've had our first frost. We've had a hard freeze. We've been at 25 degrees, and we're still producing a little bit of food. It's so wonderful. Obviously, we're always going to be producing food, like as long as we got these little boogers back here behind me, right? One of them is laying this beautiful green egg. On the sheet, you can see how green it is. Beautiful green egg. One of them is, another one's laying a green egg that she didn't lay today, but she's laying really beautiful green eggs. And the other one, another one is laying this beautiful light blue egg. I'm not sure you can see how blue it is, but it's because the camera's not really doing it justice. But they're beautiful, beautiful eggs, and they're just my pullets. Pullets meaning a young hen. Okay, if you're not familiar with it, a pullet is just a young hen who essentially has not went through her first molt yet. Okay, so they lay a little smaller eggs for a start, and then they'll gradually get into a large or extra large or a bigger egg. You know, these are good sized pullet eggs. They're about, I'm a little chicken nerd on you here a little bit. So one of them's about 56 grams or 57 grams, so that's right on a large, and then the other one is 52 grams, which is a medium egg, but it's verging on a large. Yes, I'm a chicken nerd. And so it's always great to have eggs flowing, especially when you never know when eggs are going to be on shortage again, right? So we got eggs producing, and now the cold weather will slow them down, and obviously lack of daylight will slow them down as well. So that's why it's only just the young ones laying right now. The older girls, they ain't got no shot of laying for a little bit. But here we are. We got covers over things, right? So we actually still have food growing. Even though we had a hard freeze, we still have some food growing, and we were able to harvest a beautiful amount of ragged jack kale out of this green stalk right here before the first freeze, just in case it killed it, and it didn't kill it, and we still have some more growing. I'll show you. Beautiful kale in here, see? But you can tell we gave it a good trimming, and that's actually some pak choi down there at the bottom. But it's looking, everything's still growing. Now this cover won't keep it warm. This is a bug cover because we only have 2 frost covers, but we just kind of had this one covered for something, right? And we got a little bit of Swiss chard growing under this, I believe. See, yeah, some weeds and Swiss chard. This is the Swiss chard. It looks good there and there and a little bit over here. Just try to grow food as long as possible. Getting out, so I got a confession to make though. I'm very annoyed with myself. I get very annoyed with myself if I feel like I have failed in something, right? If I feel like I didn't do something I should have done, or I didn't do the best way possible. I get very frustrated with myself because I feel like I should have had more planted. We had time to get more planted, but we just didn't get it. We were exhausted, we're tired, ran out of time, didn't get stuff done that I should have got done. But I did get this kale and this lettuce planted right here. See, this lettuce made it through as well. Got plenty of lettuce growing in this green stalk. You got 2 layers down there that did not germinate, but a lot here's doing good. So we've got a lot of green stalks. We could have got more green stalks planted. We have some grow bags and other stuff that we could have got planted. I did plant some other stuff and it germinated, but it just germinated late. So I'm not sure if how much it's actually gonna be able to produce, or if it'll just stay alive until we get to spring, or at least a better, warmer weather, and it'll actually produce at that point. But there's a green stalk sale coming up. Okay, so actually started today. And it's sort of Black Friday sale. There's a different item on sale every day until like through the rest of the month. So today, November 20th, Thursday, right? It's a 7-tier leaf green stalk, I believe, for like $119.99. And on all these sales, you can use our code ART10 ART10 or our link in the description to get the extra $10 off of purchase of $75 or more. I think is what it is. So you can do that every time, but again, every day's different. So what I would do is I would go to their website and sign up for their emails, so that they could probably they'll probably send you an email every day of what's on sale. So that's what I would do if I was looking to buy something from Greenstalk, so you would be aware of what's actually there, because honestly, I adore growing food all year long. So here in Southwest Ohio, it's not the easiest, but again, we can prolong it with these frost covers and whatnot. And there's some beautiful kale right here that we're gonna have to harvest before it freezes again. Because this next one might get them, because it's gonna be like 4 straight nights of freezing weather, which again, it's late in November almost, right? So it's fair. You can't be upset with the Lord for having seasonal weather. And you probably can't be upset about having all this beautiful kale either. Look at that. It was awesome the whole way down. Beautiful kale. And I know some of y'all don't. You think, oh no, just kale and lettuce. Oh, right. I wish I had some spinach growing. I did plant some and it germinated, but didn't really grow. But hey, that kale is so delicious. It's so nice to have some. And I know, yes, kale isn't the most tasty food ever, but Angela Kay can make anything taste good. And so that kale, she knows how to use it really well. And it is good, by the way. It's not like you get in the store. That's Ragged Jack. It's not the old tough curly kale, but it's so good and it's so wonderful. That's why we love those green stalks, and that's why we pump up green stalks so much, is because we love them. We think they're great for small space gardeners. And you can see there that we're growing a whole lot of beautiful food here almost at Thanksgiving, right? So thank you guys so much for watching. Do appreciate it. My name is Jason. This is Art of Creation Homestead. We love y'all. God bless you. Goodbye.